Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6-string Fingerpicking. In this lesson, we're learning how to play a fingerstyle arrangement of Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana. This one, I'd say, is around the intermediate advanced level. It's really fun to play. If you want the full lesson and guitar tab, that's down in the description. If you enjoyed the lesson, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into it. So first off, we've got the classic intro. So that's just 4 very simple 5 chords. E5, and I'm doing it across 3 strings, so 6th string, 5th string, and 4th string. And then to A5, G5, and C5. And so the strumming, we hold down at E5, and I'll strum down, up, down, or 1, a 2, and then I'll do muted strums and a 3E. So like 1, a 2, and a 3E, or down, up, down, up. And then I'll go to the A5 and I'll play, so it's just down, down, and the count is and 4. And then the next 2 strums, which will be on the and I'll probably just strum open, but it's kind of transit as I'm transitioning to the next chord. So like, so on the A you're playing down, down, and then pretty much lift off and strum down, up on the same 3 strings. So all together. And then we do exactly the same thing on G5 to our C5. So slowly. Up to speed. And I'll just repeat that 4 times through. So it's pretty simple. And then on the last one, we've got E5, A5, G. I'll just strum down, down on the C, and then that will lead straight into the next section. So that leads straight into so that's, again, not too hard. What I'm doing is I'm just playing, for the E chord, I'm just playing the muted bass note, so the muted E string 4 times, 1 and 2 and. Then same on the A, 1 and 2 and. Then the G, just the 3rd fret on the 6th string, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then 1 and 2 and then same on the C, so the 3rd fret on the 5th string, 3 and 4 and. So that's not too bad at all, but on the count of 2 and, I'm playing these harmonics here, both just on the 12th fret, first on the 2nd string and then on the top string. So that's over the E. So you play 2 on it on their own, and then with the 3rd bass note you'll play the 2nd string harmonic, and then with the 4th bass note you'll play the top string harmonic. So slowly that's like, okay, 1 and 2 and then it's just the same, so the A, 3 and 4 and. So like, okay, and that just goes round twice. So that goes into the verse, and I play this section like this. And that will lead into the pre-chorus, I guess. So the chords here, really, like I'm playing pretty much an E minor, and then I'm kind of thinking of an A sus2, G, and then C, right the way through. But I'm doing this kind of strummy thing, which you don't have to do. You can finger pick. if the strum thing's a bit too hard for you, you can of course fingerpick it. But I really like the light strum. So let's break it down. I'm holding down just the 4th string, 2nd fret to start. I'll play the bass, then a light strum on the count of 2, and then up on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. So then it's onto the next chord, and I'll just play the 5th string, open, and then an open top string. Light strum pretty much just on open strings here, but I'm really targeting just the 4th string open, and then up on the 3rd. So slowly. It's like that. That goes to G, so you want to hold down the 3rd fret on the 6th string, play that, then we'll strum down on the count of 2, and I'm targeting the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Okay? And then up on the top string, and that's all you do for your G. So. That goes to a C chord, so you can hold down a C, play the bass, and then up on the 3rd fret on the top string, 2nd string, and then release that to a regular C and strum and target the 2nd string, and then open 2nd string. So the C there is or like that, okay? Okay, then the chord progression starts again, so you're back to E minor, and again I'm just holding down the 2nd fret on the 4th string, but we're not even going to play that, but I hold it down anyway. But play the 6th string, and then strum down on the count of 2 and target the 1st fret on the 2nd string, and then open 2nd string. So okay, and then A chord, play the 5th string, and then we're going to strum down and target the 4th string, 2nd fret, and then up on the 3rd string. So it's like, if you were to pick it, but if you want to strum, okay, that goes to your G, so 3rd fret on the 6th string, play that. Then it's the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. You want to strum that, target that note, and then open 2nd string. Okay, so. Okay, so after I played that 2nd string open, we're on to our C chord, and I played the 3rd fret on the 5th string. Okay, and then on the 3rd string, play 2 open, and then play the 4th fret on the 4th string. Okay, so it's like that. So that second half that we just did from the 2nd E minor is like that. Okay, so back to the beginning of the verse, and let's play through really slow. So the great thing is, once you get to there, it just links straight back on, and you just repeat that. See that? So let's recap. We've got the verse, which you do that 4 times. That then goes into the, you do that twice, and then it's straight into the verse. that twice. And then the second time it goes into that, and that will lead into that leads straight into the chorus. And I'm going to be teaching those two sections over on my website. So if you're watching this on YouTube and you want to get the rest of the lesson, just follow the links through down in the description and you'll get it right away. So that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, check out some of the other videos I have here on my channel, and head over to sixstringfingerpicking.com where I've got hundreds more fingerstyle guitar lessons and a whole bunch of fingerstyle courses that you can take if you want to invest in your playing a little bit more, which you can even try out completely for free when you join my mailing list. So check it out, links in the description. But until next time, thanks a lot.